What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy, Dog, man. Today, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, we got a big project. This is probably the biggest project we have done to the car, y'all. But before we get into the video, man, I'm gonna need y'all to hit that like button right now, bro. The more likes we get on this video, the more it'll be consistent, and the more we gonna grow as a family and the channel, bro. Simple as that. And also, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on right now. But enough of that talking, let me show y'all what we doing today, man. Y'all see the big Chrysler 300 just sitting right there, man. Today, y'all, we about to put the BREMBO brake. We about to swap out the brakes, bro. We about to take the fake BREMBOs off. We finna take the old stock Chrysler 300 brakes off, you know what I'm saying, the fake BREMBOs, and put the real BREMBOs on, you know what I'm saying? We gotta swap a whole bunch of stuff out. Today, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all how to swap out, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get some help from my boy, SRT Sandy. We finna go to his crib, and he finna help me, you know what I'm saying? Basically, brake swap the Chrysler 300 so we can actually get the real BREMBOs, you feel me? For the BREMBOs, for the rotors, for the knuckles, for the spindles, everything was about $1,300 to $1,400 I bought from Facebook Marketplace. You know what I'm saying? We got all the brake pads came with it. You know what I'm saying? The other, y'all know the words for them. For the BREMBO sets, we finna do all this shit. We got the brake lines and everything like that too, bro. So shit, we just finna swap it all out. Everything together was about $1,300, bro. About $1,300. So it's a little pricey, you know what I'm saying? And you gotta pay for it, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna throw some bread to my boy SRT Sandy for helping me out, using his equipment and everything like that. So everything together gonna be about like $1,600, $1,700. So it's a little pricey, but I ain't gonna lie, it's gonna be worth it. We're gonna have better brake system. We're gonna be able to stop on a dime. We got some real BREMBOs, you know what I'm saying? Hey, we making this thing into a beast, bro. Simple. Shit, let me just load everything to the car real quick. And then shit, we gonna head to my boy SRT Sandy crib and we gonna get this shit cracking, man. So make sure y'all drop a like I said, bro. Today about to be a big informational video, how to swap a brake system. You know what I'm saying? We gotta take the RT brake system out and put the SRT, which is the SRT knuckles and, you know what I'm saying, the BREMBOs, the SRT rotors, onto the RT Chrysler 300. Simple as that.
A few moments later.
We at my boy Sandy crib right now, man. This is mail right here. This motherfucker clean as fuck. Motherfucker too hard. He got the red divots. Motherfucker too hard. I see we got the motherfucking Chrysler in the back and shit, man. He put it on the jack. Finna take these wheels off and then with shit, I'm gonna show y'all how to brake swap these motherfuckers, man. You feel me? Everything right here. We got the backs, the back BREMBOs, brake pads, everything like that. Shit, so we just finna swap everything real quick. No kizzy. Oh shit, y'all. We finna do the front sides first, man. Taking everything off right now, the old RT shit. 6 pistons on the front. So what's the first thing? What you gotta do for the first thing? Just take the old...
I'm gonna try to take the whole assembly off for real, take the spindle off, and then take the boards down there. Cause ain't no really point in wasting time and, you know, taking all this shit off separate. I'm gonna try to take the whole assembly off.
Okay,
all that shit together. That's how I started with the front. The front's easier. The back, that e-brake gonna be a little pain.
Oh God. Yeah, I'm gonna just let him talk. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck to do, so he know what to do everything. All right, y'all, so we got the front one out, man. First one out right here. Nigga broke my car, bro. That new one right there.
SRT spindle.
Put that on in the rotors, and then that first BREMBO set, man. So right here, we gotta take the knuckle off of this one?
I gotta take the hub off, nub huckle, and then fuck at your e-brake wire. And besides that, I'm gonna try to take the whole assembly off.
Okay, baby. So the back of the 4 pistons. You know what I'm saying? Basically got to do what we did with the front ones. Take the old shit out, put the new shit in. Simple as that. So we almost done. This is a process, y'all. I'm speeding it up for y'all because it's gonna take like y'all at least 5 to 6 hours to do all this, bro. So I'm just gonna speed it up for y'all, bro. But we got the front. We got the fronts on. We did the front, left, front, right. Got the spindles on and everything, and the brake pads on there and stuff. I'm gonna show y'all how everything look at the end though, man. I'm gonna want everything on, and then I'm gonna show y'all how it look. But we got the front ones on, the front BREMBOs on. Now we just doing the rear. Work with this shit. This nigga's over here sawing shit off, man. This shit crazy. Shit. I appreciate it though. But yeah, y'all see this is a complicated job, bruh. I've been here about 11. It's about like 4 right now. So it's been about 5 hours, bro. It's gonna take a little minute, man. Just bought a diff off Facebook Marketplace while we getting this shit done, bro. It's crazy as hell. So we gonna be putting on the diff soon. Your boy dog gonna be spinning soon, bro. We gonna say this for another video. We gotta take the knuckles out, basically. For the rears, you gotta replace the knuckle. Then for the fronts, you gotta change the front spindles. So, oh shit, what you say the hardest part about this shit, G?
Shit, probably that e-brake wire. For
That
sure.
e-brake wire? Yeah, that nigga said he was fighting with the e-brake wire for the rear. Shit, yeah, he getting progress on this motherfucker, y'all. All right, y'all, man, we finally got the rears on. Y'all see we got the 4 pistons in the rears. All he did was take the old knuckles out, put the SRT knuckles on, bro. Y'all see it's dark as hell, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, it took him a little minute for the back ones, bro. It took like maybe 3 hours just for this one, bro. So shout out to my boy Sandy, man. Hey, make sure y'all go follow my boy on IG too, man. But got that bitch on, now we just gotta do that last one. We got the rear driver's side. We get that rear driver's side and we out, man. Simple as that. We almost done, y'all. I've been here since 11. It is now 6:29, bro. It's been like a 7-hour, 8-hour job, bro. Crazy. Shit, we just gotta put this wheel back on. Then we gotta switch. Then we gotta bleed the brakes. We got the brake fluid over there. Bleed the brakes and we Gucci. Y'all, while we getting the brakes done, man, I just bought a fucking Scat Pack diff on Facebook Marketplace, bro. Who y'all know buying Facebook parts while goddamn fixing got some goddamn brakes, bro? Shit crazy, man. So your boy dog will be sliding soon, bro. We got the 3.09 differential. We gonna probably put this on maybe next week or some shit, man. But we gonna be sliding very soon, bro. Y'all ain't see me slide at all yet because RTs, you can slide them, but you gotta force it to slide, bro. I'm not trying to force my shit. If you gotta force it, that mean you ain't supposed to do it, goddamn. And this shit be spinning on 1 wheel and some more shit. So now we gonna be spinning on 2 wheels because we got the diff. That's gonna be in a separate video though. But just wanted to show y'all that, bro. We just bought a damn diff on Facebook Marketplace in the middle of goddamn fixing these brakes. Shit is actually crazy, bro.
If I catch y'all, I slap me with the blick. Push the boat, we in the SRT, we gon' do 100 hit.
I heard she won't fuck, but she don't suck dick, so I don't want the bitch. I can put some noodles on his top, get a pussy hit.
Fuck that bitch, and I got her, and she just sucked the dick.
Told that bitch, I'm sorry I fucked a friend, this just how shit get.
Bitch, I told the deal, I'm just trying to get my mama out the hood.
We be whacking shit.
1 day later.
Bad bitch, 50 flow, eat hibachi.
Say, ooh.
Hey, man, today is the next day, y'all. I have to record the next day, bro. It got too dark, bro. We didn't get done with the, you know what I'm saying, with the brake swap until like maybe 11, 12 p.m., bro. It took about 11 to 12 hours to do. I went over to his crib about 11 a.m. We ain't get done till about 11 to 12 p.m. So I ain't gonna lie. If y'all think about doing this, bro, just know your day gonna be wasted, bro. You know what I'm saying? You might as well start them in the morning. But anyway, though, man, we got everything on. We got the rear 4 pistons. We got the front 6 pistons. Are y'all ready to see the new brakes? We actually got Brembos now. I'm proud, y'all. We had some fake Brembos for a little minute. Now we got the real ones. But here we go, man. Y'all see the Chrysler 300, man. Let me show y'all the new brakes, man. You know what I'm saying? These days looking too sweet. Like I said, we got 4 pistons in the back, and then we got the 6 pistons in the front, man. Y'all see them, man. Hey, y'all let me know if y'all fuck with the yellow with the white, you know what I'm saying? But we got the 6 pistons in the front. The front was quick. I ain't gonna lie, he did the front ones quick as hell. He did probably each side took about an hour, 45 minutes. 45 minutes to an hour, bro. All he had to do was change the front spindles from the RT front spindles and put the SRT front spindles on, put the rotors on there, shoot, and then put the, you know what I'm saying, the Brembos on there. But the rears, I ain't gonna lie, that took majority of the time. Like I said, everything took about 11 hours. The front 2 took about 2 hours, the front 2 rims. Or the front 2 brakes, you know what I'm saying? The 6 pistons, you know what I'm saying? The other side, you know what I'm saying? Took an hour each side. But these back, bro, the back is the hardest ones, bro, for them, bro. You know what I'm saying? I've seen a couple videos on YouTube. Everybody said, you know what I'm saying, to swap the rear knuckles and everything, it's gonna take a little minute. But this was the hardest part, was the back, you know what I'm saying, the rear brakes on both sides. You know what I'm saying? We have to take the knuckles out, and then we have to put, you know what I'm saying, the SRT knuckles in, put the rotors in, and then we got the 4 pistons in the back, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know how the yellow look, y'all. I really rock with the yellow. And y'all let me know if hey, comment below. Should I take this off? So we just have, you know what I'm saying, just nothing there. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know in the comments. And I love the red, bro. I like the red. I got like little bits of red, you know what I'm saying? Then we got the red eye. I feel like the white, red, and the yellow go crazy, bro. You know what I'm saying? We got the yellow on the Brembos now, bro. You feel me? Ain't gonna lie, we gonna get some bigger tires too so we can fill that space up. But y'all let me know how the new Brembos look, y'all. Know what I'm saying? 6 pistons in the front. This shit look crazy as hell, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, we should do a brake test. I ain't gonna lie, I should drive about 200 miles per hour and then just stop. You know what I'm saying? That's what I really should do.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
Now, let me stop trying. I'm gonna fuck my shit up. But anyway, man, y'all, you know what I'm saying? We got the real Brembos on the thing now. I feel official now, you feel me? Now, the next thing I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna surprise y'all with the next thing we gonna do. But the car is almost done, y'all. We got one more thing. God damn. We got one more thing to put on the car, bro. And then we really official. But I like, y'all let me know how the yellow. Should I change it from the yellow? I low-key need to clean these motherfuckers. But do y'all mess with the yellow with the white? You know what I'm saying? The yellow, white, and the red, low-key go crazy. I ain't gonna cap. But shit, we upgraded from the fake blue Brembos to the real yellow ones. You feel me? I'm in right now, 1 through 10. How y'all think they look, y'all? You know what I'm saying? It's worth it, bro. Shout out to my boy Sonny. Make sure y'all go follow him on IG, bro. He did this shit good as hell, bro. Any minor problems he fixed, you know what I'm saying? And got them things on. I ain't got no squeaks, no nothing, y'all. No squeaks or anything, bro. I ain't gonna lie, this shit looks too official, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like I said, I need to get some 275, 305s in the back so we can fill up the space. But shit, everything else looking sweet, man. Everything looking sweet as hell. Pause. You feel me? I ain't gonna lie, these bitches look tough. I ain't gonna lie to you, G. Like I said, I wish we could do a test or something, bro. But I don't know how to test no damn brakes without driving fast and stopping. Now, you know what I'm saying? I was just in a cut-up session the other day. These bitches work for sure. So if you thinking about swapping to some Brembo brakes and you got an RT or something like that, bro, hey, do it, bro. I ain't gonna lie. It's worth the money. It's worth the time, bro, because these bitches really do work. I cannot lie. Yeah, man, I just wanted to tell y'all, you know what I'm saying? I wish I could have showed y'all more into detail how to, you know what I'm saying, swap them. But like I said, it got too dark, bro. And I ain't want to get in my boy way. You feel me? Y'all comment below. Let me know if y'all should add anything else to the car, man. I feel like we got everything for real. I'm going to do a mod video soon. I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to basically like tell y'all and show y'all all my mods I done to the car. Engine-wise, exterior-wise. Y'all can see the exterior. I ain't going to the engine yet and show y'all what I got in the engine. But y'all let me know if y'all want that video. But shit, that's pretty much it for today's video, man. You feel me? So make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that like button, bro. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie, these Brembos, the whole kit, the spindles, the brake pads, the rotors, the knuckles, the everything was like $1,400, bro. You know what I'm saying? Because they don't got that many miles on them. I think the Brembos only got like 10,000 miles on them, bro. So these are damn near brand new Brembos, spindles, rotors, and knuckles. I know you can get them for cheaper for sure, but shit, I couldn't pass up on these, bro. And they 6 pistons, bro. You know what I'm saying? Everybody got 4 pistons and shit. These are 6 pistons. You know what I'm saying? Hellcat's got the 6 pistons. So shit, we got the 6 pistons. You know what I'm saying? But shit, hey man, like I said, drop a like, share the video, man, so we can get the Hellcat swap, bro. You know what I'm saying? We got the look already. We just got a Hellcat swap this motherfucker, man. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. I'm finna go home. You know what I'm saying? I wish I could do a brake test, but I don't got nobody to record me right now. You feel me? I'm by my lonely. Hey, man, but stay tuned, man. The next thing we put on the car, y'all finna be lit, bro. I ain't gonna lie, y'all finna be lit. I ain't gonna lie, y'all don't want to miss it, man. So make sure y'all join the family, bro. But I'm out this thing. I love y'all. Appreciate everybody for supporting your boy. And I'm out this bit, man.